that even better. I'm going to want to put it on your tongue, and I want you to close your lips on the spoon. When I pull it out, close your lips. Good job. Tell Mom if you like it or not. Is it good? You like your nanners? Are we asking you to eat and talk at the same time?
Yeah, really.
Tell Mom, do you like it? Is it good?
How is it? Is it good?
Tell Mom.
Is it good? Yeah? Yeah?
More. More.
You're gonna talk? Is it that
More.
good? Oh my goodness. Yes.
More.
You want some more? More?
I'll take that as a more. More. More pudding. Beautiful. Now close your lips. Perfect. Good swallow. Now you tell me when you want more. See, nice tongue movements today.
What you doing, big boy?
La 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 la. La 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 la.
Yeah.
Yeah. More.
What?
More.
What was that about?
More. I see that half a smile. Yes, I do. I think you want more. More.
Good
Beautiful.
boy.
Close your lips on the spoon. Very nice. So this is excellent today.